Stuck with the wrong local channels on YouTube TV? Stop wasting time searching for games. Here's how to fix your playback area issues in 3 steps. I'm Roberto from One Click Guides, and today we're solving the playback area error once and for all. Step 1. Grab your mobile device, open the YouTube TV app, tap your profile icon and go to Settings. From there, select Area. This is where you manage both your home area and your current playback area. Tap Update next to Current Playback Area. The app will request location access to verify where you are. This uses your phone's built-in GPS to confirm your local market and unlock the correct live channels. Step 2. On your TV, navigate to the same Area Settings menu. Select Update on the TV screen. Your TV will display a prompt asking you to verify the location on your mobile device. Open the app on your phone again. You should see a request to update the TV's playback area. Once you tap Confirm, your TV will automatically refresh and your local channels will be ready to stream. Step 3. If you're still seeing errors, check your phone's system settings. Ensure location services are toggled on. Specifically, make sure the YouTube TV app has permission to access your location while using the app. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Don't use third-party location tools. Unofficial location spoofing apps are major security risks and can lead to account suspension. Stick to official methods. If the issue persists, contact official support at 833-389-2054. They can manually reset your home area. You can also visit the official YouTube TV Help Center for more detailed troubleshooting guides. That's it. Subscribe to One Click Guides for more fast-paced, high-value tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.